Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Kate in the City. Today I'm doing a video to answer some of my viewers' questions. I get a lot of questions about AliExpress. Okay, what are the best seeds to buy from AliExpress? And there are a lot of great seeds to be able to buy from AliExpress that are really cheap and they'll grow well. They're quality seeds at a really cheap price, but of course not all of them. So what I want to go over today is the top 5 plants to avoid buying from AliExpress. Number 5, oddly colored fruits. Shopping on AliExpress, you're sure to come across a wide variety of oddly colored fruits. While these may seem enticing, don't be fooled. Even if these seeds germinate, grow, and fruit for you, they will not produce the rainbows of colors that you see marketed here. My recommendation is to select a variety that shows known characteristics of that plant. So for example, I would select the seeds from this posting instead of this one. Number 4, giant fruit. You can find quite a few vendors selling giant vegetables. While these may be true photos of giant vegetables, do not expect to grow something so large as these photos of award-winning crops. These are not the average expected size for this variety. If you're looking for giant variety seeds, my recommendation would be to shop at a reputable heirloom seed company such as Baker Creek Seeds. Number 3, bonsai trees. Bonsai trees are commonly offered seed characteristics seen throughout AliExpress. Anyone who has practiced the art of bonsai would discount these seeds right away. Bonsai is an act of miniaturizing a plant, usually a tree species, through a variety of techniques. It's not a variety of seed that naturally grows miniature. Most bonsai practitioners do not grow their bonsai trees from seed, but rather from a stock plant. Number 2, limited viability. Some seeds, such as artichoke, can store for many years. Seeds such as onions and other alliums, corn, and other seeds have a poor saving capacity and most likely will no longer be viable in just a couple of short years. These seeds may be a year old when shipped to you and contain no package date. And number 1, plant and animal morphology. Don't be fooled into buying seeds of orchids that look like monkeys or birds. While these are fun to look at, they are clearly and often badly photoshopped. They even market seeds whose fruits resemble a range of human anatomy. And while some of these stock photos might make a good meme, I wouldn't recommend spending your quarter for a pack. Thanks for watching 5 Seeds to Not Buy from AliExpress. I will be making some more videos soon, so stay tuned. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and share. And most of all, leave a comment down below on what you think. I really like to hear your guys' feedback. See you guys next time.